Video number 199, quotient of two functions and its domain. So we're going to take these two rational functions, we're going to do a quotient, we're going to simplify it, and then we're going to do the domain in this video. Alright, so we got f over g. Well, we're just going to take f divided by g. Well, when dividing two fractions, we simply take the first fraction here, bam, then multiply by the reciprocal. Then, what happens in this step is the x plus 2's cancel out, alright, and you're left with 2 times x minus 7 over quantity x minus 5. And that would be f over g. Domain, here we go. The domain of f over g is definitely does not allow 5. 5 is not allowed in the domain. However, the step before that does not allow negative 2. Alright, so we cannot have negative 2 in the step before this. Now someone says, well, wait a minute, what's the big deal? This is the answer, 2 is allowed here. Well, 2 would only be allowed if every step in the process allowed 2. See, in order to get here, you would have had to have been able to cancel x plus 2 over x plus 2 out. Well, you can't cancel 0 divided by 0. You can't cancel that out. So therefore x cannot be negative 2. Now, it's also true that the step before, okay, and the original question does not allow 7. See this? G of x does not allow 7. So, 7 is not allowed in the original. 2 is not allowed, and negative 2 is not allowed in this step, and 5 is not allowed here. So you actually have 3 x values that are not allowed in the domain. 5, negative 2, and 7. So in a timeline, what we would say is that negative 2 is not allowed, 5 is not allowed, 7 is not allowed, but everything to the left of that, everything to the right of this, to the left of this, to the right, to the left, to the right. And then of course you start at negative infinity, go up to infinity. So what I like to do before we do the interval notation is have the students write down the negative infinity, the positive infinity. Here, let's make that a little bit better. Then you can see here that this is not allowed. That's not. These are open circles, if you will. Those are the open circles. That's why you're going to have the soft brackets. So negative 2. So everything between here is okay. That's this. Everything between here is okay. Everything between here is okay. And then everything between there is okay. Right? So this would be the domain of f over g. All right. Any questions? Send me an email. Talk to you later.